Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. We cannot escape ourselves from experiences of negativities. We sometimes fall into many troubles. We fall into many experiences of sadness. Tayo ay dumadaan sa madaming mga marahil pagkitil sa ating sariling buhay o marahil dumadaan tayo sa mga pagkakataon na tayo o ang buhay natin na ay placed in at stake. We sometimes, or maybe during these moments of our time, we are all disappointed and sad. And it is human. It is part of our life. But it is not about really being at the stability of those negativity. For us who follow Jesus and believe in His hope of a resurrection, the Lord won't only promise the stability of negativity, but every transition to a life of consolation. Na hindi lang tayo malugmok o manatili sa karanasan ng kalungkutan o sa madaming pasakit, kundi ang pagharap din ho natin sa bawat karanasan ng kaligayahan. In the ministry of St. Paul, as to what we have heard in our first reading today, Paul stood as well in that moment of trouble. He stood in the midst of doubt and even of that fight against his ministry. The people would no longer believe and even would really embrace the teaching of St. Paul. But the story ended with him pursuing his mission, making a vow to God, continuing the mission entrusted to him. That his life didn't stay only in the throes of the evil and of sadness, but towards the end, God triumphed through the life of this man. And as Jesus and his disciples are slowly, as Jesus would then face his passion and death and resurrection, now the sadness of parting ways indeed fell unto the hearts of the apostles. Matinding lungkot, matinding pangungulila, matinding kalungkutan. But then Jesus promised them, you will grieve, but your grief will become joy. On how every negativity will have its transition to consolation. And it is good that we hold on to this promise of the Lord as a person, as a family, as a country, and as followers of Jesus. Hindi naman po tayo nilikha ng Diyos para manatili sa ating kalungkutan, kundi para harapin din natin ang mga maliligayang araw ng ating buhay. Sinasabi nga ho natin na ang problema dinadaanan, hindi tinatambayan. Dahil ang laging pangako ni Jesus, lahat ng ito ay magiging kagalakan. Marahil lagi nating itong sinasabi sa atin na baka hanggang dito na lang ako, baka malungkot na lang ako lagi, baka dismayado na lang tayo lagi, baka lugmok na lang tayo lagi. But it is not the promise of the resurrection of Jesus. The promise of resurrection is that for us to see how our grief, how our disappointments, how our sadness will turn to be messages of hope and to be messages of joy. Just like Paul and the apostles, it is a never-ending experience of us facing negativities. But God won't promise that we'll be stable during those at those moments. We will be there and He will guide us to turn around of events, to experience joys and the consolation Jesus has prepared for us.